G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. Well, I've got an Aussie band. A couple of people sent me links for this previously, and I'm just getting around to it now, so I do apologize. This is going to be the Teskey Brothers with Rain. So, never heard of them, even though they're Australian. They're from Melbourne, so down south. So, let's jump in and give them I'm always up for Aussie music. If you haven't checked out Aussie music before, go check them out. Start with Cold Chisel, maybe Hunters and Collectors, maybe a bit of Midnight Oil, and go from there. The music is amazing in this country. So let's do the Teskey Brothers with Rain. Ooh, that's not what I expected. Whoa! Whoa. Yeah, no. You can't just come in here sounding like Otis Reading and a bit of Motown and what the heck? Okay, let's get comfy. Let's get... Damn, son.
If I could hold you, my fam, I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone.
Oh, that tone. Oh.
Yeah. Now this cloud up between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely place, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Won't you come to me now?
Okay. Um. Okay. Um. Wait. What? Um. Okay. I didn't know we had our own version of a little bit of Motown down under. Wow. Okay. Um. uh, that's kind of taking me right by surprise. Kind of. That was that was very good. That was very good. You could definitely draw comparisons to Otis, Motown, just that soul from a band from Melbourne. Wow. Okay. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That was very good. That was very good. That was not what I was expecting. Not what I was expecting at all. Okay. All right. Uh, that kind of just that kind of hit me left field. I did not expect that sound at all. Great voice, great voice. I definitely want to see them how they do live as well. How does his voice hold up when it's live? Um, definitely need to check that out. All right, Aussie music. Wow. Okay. All right. I'll have to go back and see who sent me that link, but thank you very much, whoever that was. I cannot remember, but all right, all right, okay. Definitely need to check out some more of that. The Teskey Brothers from Melbourne. I think there's two brothers. I think there's four in the band. Is it four in the band? Yeah, I think it's four in the band, and the other brother plays the lead guitar, and then obviously um the one that was singing. So I'm excited. I'm excited to delve into that, and especially if they kind of continue with that sound, that soul, and build on that. I could definitely get behind that. Aussie music straight away. I mean, first check is Aussie music, and then you've got that sound. Ooh, that is nice. That is some nice sounding. Kind of, you know what? Actually, you know what it reminds me of? When we did Mark Brossard, that kind of when he was doing Otis Reading as well. Definitely got that kind of that grittiness and that voice. Actually, yeah, that's what he reminds me of, Mark. Okay, our own little version of All right, all right, I could get behind that for sure. So definitely look out for more reactions to the Teskey Brothers. Wow, excellent, excellent. Thumbs up if you enjoy. I'm completely shocked. I did not expect that sound. Nice. Very, very nice. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you did. Definitely check out some more of them too. So, but guys, in the meantime, stay safe wherever you are, and I'll definitely see you in the next reaction video.